Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the screen recording and the FPS meter test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes, this complete screen recording I'm trying to use the inbuilt FPS meter only during this process of demonstration. And in the screen recording settings, I did select 1080 and 60 FPS while recording. And let's see during this time of the demonstration how will be the FPS count will be maintaining. And this is the floating FPS which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration, as you can see, floating FPS meter. So by using that you will be able to track easily. So what is the FPS we are trying to maintain? So we are getting about 59, no issues. 59 and 59 FPS it's maintaining consistently without any kind of issues, no problem. 60 FPS. So 58 FPS. And if you cannot hear the internal game audio very loud, I mean there's a problem with the OnePlus Nord 2 itself. The internal game audio is not coming very loud. I'm not sure why. So you can hear my voice very clearly, but you cannot hear the game audio very loud. I'm not sure. So I need to do a separate video on that particular topic. But this is how the gameplay looks for the couple of minutes of the team deathmatch. So I did keep the audio to the maximum in the internal, but still I'm not. You won't be able to hear the audio much, as you can see. I did keep everything to the maximum except the game music. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand. But in the screen recording settings, I'm trying to use internal audio plus mic, but still it's not working. Even after using those settings, that's the one thing. So now let's go back to the Sonank boot camp. So let's do one the bootcamp drop test while using the screen recording. And during this time of demonstration, the temperatures are up to 38 degrees, as you can see. 38 degrees at this moment exactly. So 38, let's say the drop test, how much it will be. So one good advantage with this screen recording is that you can actually pause the video as well. And you can actually play whenever you want. Let me need to do that. So right now, let's see friends, how much the FPS will be dropping at this moment. So I'll try to do the couple of FPS drop test. So while using the screen recording and while playing at same time. So right now let's see how much FPS will be dropped during this time of testing. So it's kind of close to 57 FPS. I'm getting 57, 58 FPS, not bad. So 57, 58, 56. So this is the test which I'm trying to do using the screen recording and gaming at same time. As you can see the results exactly. So it dropped up to 55 FPS in this OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. 55 FPS exactly. 59 FPS, 59. What has happened? I'm not sure what has happened right now. The ping value is pretty low. It's only 48 milliseconds. Some problem with the gameplay, I think so. But let me try to quickly start again the match. So let's see next FPS drop test next time. How much it will be there. So right now let's see friends how much the FPS will be dropping this time. So this time FPS we did see up to 57 at this moment. Let's see. So I'm just trying to show you a couple of times the FPS drop test only. So how much FPS it will be dropping. So during this time of screen recording and gaming at same time. And totally sorry friends, the internal game audio is not recording at higher volume. I'm not sure how to increase, but still I did keep at maximum volume, but still I was unable to get that kind of high volume. It dropped to 56. $55. It dropped to 57, 55, not bad. And during this 5 minutes of gameplay, let me show you exactly how much is the temperature increased by looking at this kind of statistics from the OnePlus. As you can see right now, the temperature is of maintaining same way, 38 degrees, as you can see exactly. So same temperature did not increase much right now, even using the screen recording and playing at same time. Not bad. So I'll try to play a couple of minutes and then I'll try to shut down this game. So meanwhile, if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll try my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Let me know in the comments section how is the clarity of the video. So bye, friends.